this effect. I saw this effect in Bilibili, a Chinese video platform. I don't know how he made this, but he's a kind of web designer, so I think maybe he made this by CSS. I don't know, maybe After Effects. So here I will use Blender to make this. So let's begin our tutorial. Okay, let's go to Blender 4.3 here. So first I need to make this cube like more smooth, so I need to use bevel because there is no bevel in geometry node. So this is good. Okay, let's go to geometry node. So first step, I think it's very easy. We need to make a grid, and then we instance on the grid. So first a grid, and let's instance on grid. So connect grid to point and group input to instance. It will be like this. So we change the scale, maybe 0.5. Okay, and change the size of grid 2. So you will have this. So this will be the basic class, and you check the effect that it has many cubes like this. So we need to make a procedure like a cube generator. It's very simple, just to change the size and the vertex of the grid. So here vertex is integer, so I prefer to use the integer here. Connect this to instance. So 3. It will be like this. So how do we get the size? Here is very simple, just a math. We need like connected to this, add a -1. It will be like this. So when we change the number, the integer, so it will be increased like this. We maybe need like a 50 years. Very simple, and we need to save it first in case it crashed. So this is the first step to make the grid, to make the instance. Let's rename it cube instance. And this tutorial is very easy because it uses only a little geometry node. So next step, we will need an object on the side. So I need, maybe I put a cube here, like this. So change the name. This is glass, and the cube is like the aim. I drag the aim here. Here we use a store name attribute and proximity. Connect it and connect the distance to the value. Save it. I give it a name D. Capitalize the D, and here remember to choose the relative, because if you move it and you choose original, it will not change anything. So if you choose the relative, the attribute, when you move the box, the attribute will move at the same time. So this step is very important. So when we check, we need to check if we have stored this attribute. Let's check name the attribute D. So let's check. Okay, we made a mistake. So when we check the spreadsheet, we have nothing here. We have viewer here, but we have nothing here. Yeah, we have viewer here, but this is not what I want. I want it to own instance. Because the geometry here, it's instance. We check here. we have so many instances, so we want the attribute to be stored on instance. And we check the attribute. Yeah, it worked. So although it's all black, but it worked. So we delete this. And this is the cube, so this is safe, but sometimes maybe you give it a monkey here. So you check the face of the monkey, you will have like here the face is kind of like the distance between the face and the instance, the cube is different from here. The ear and the head, the distance from the cube is different, so we need to solve this problem. Here we use the cube, so that's fine. If we use the monkey, that's not fine. So here, transform. We need to give it 0 in z-axis. So we will solve the problem. So if we check here, so it will be here. And when we, okay, we just connect it here. When we delete the monkey and move the in, you see? So that's what we want. So reconnect this. Then we have the attribute, so we need to set material. Choose a material. The default material is okay. And we check the cube. You see the sharp edges. We don't want that, so we need to set shade smooth here, so it will be smoother. So join here. This step is important. We store the distance. So only 2 steps. It's easy. And then next we go to shading. So we will adjust the camera first. We change the position of the camera. Okay. Then we change the camera to orthographic. So in this mode, the plane will seem like a 2D plane, 2D grid. It won't be like a 3D, so I prefer this mode. So then we give it, we change the material. We give it transmission. So it will be like a glass. Let's go to shading. Go to cycle. So it will be like this. And it's too dark. We'll change the environment. And we change it to GPU. Change the sample 100, it's okay. Okay. Load down the roughness. You will have this. So we can see it like this. So it's glass. It will be like this. But if we want it like what we made, we want it to disappear. We need to change the IOR, which is the refraction rate. If we change it to 1, it will disappear, but it's black somewhere. So first we need to check the light limit. Where is the light limit? Light path, yes. Transmission. First we need to increase this. So with this increase, it will be better. Yeah, it will be better. So to solve it, this problem, we need another grid, glass grid, glass node. Glass node. Delete this because the principal BSDF is like realistic. Glass is like only glass, no other things. So here we get the attribute we have, change it to the instance, and the D here. We connect the factor, remember factor, to IOR. So we have this. So this is the very important part. We need to map it like this. We the center is 1, and go outside. It's the center is 0. If we go out, here in the map range, the center is 0. The outside is like 1, 2, 3, or others. It will be like this. And we will change the IOR to like in the center it will be like 1.45. It will be glass, and the outside is 1. See? So to make it clear, we need to change the color of the cube. Maybe red. Yeah. So it will be like this. So if we render, it will be like this. So we have succeed. So another part, maybe we need some color that make it look better. So we need a map range. No, we need a map range here. So here we output a value from 1 to 1.45. So here we need to remap it to 0.0 to 1. So give it to factor, and give the color to color. So we will change the color like this. So it means this color is in this area. This color is in the outside, on the outside. So we change the inside color like this. So it will be interesting this. And if we want to change the roughness of the glass, we can do it like this too. Connect it and change the value. Like this is the inside. So inside 1, outside 0. So you will have this 0.5. So if we move it, it will be like this. Very interesting. So we render it, it will be like this. So it's all finished. If you want to make a better effect, maybe you need to replace a cube with other geometry. So I think the last step is to composite. So we will need a node. We need to preview it, and here we will use RGB curve. I prefer this to tweak the color. Just to tweak what you want. R or no green. So you can tweak that by yourself. Maybe or add a clear. Blue. They are not working. So to make it look better, there's a trick. here we have light. We go to this mode. We have light here, right? So we go to this mode and then light here. Put it here. Put it here and choose the light. Choose the light and choose in. Control P. We will, when we by this method, we can parent the light to the cube. It will be like this. So let's check the result. Why I do this? So in the center there is the light, and it makes the glass look better. So let's tweak the light. Maybe give it a cold color, like this. So let's decrease the sample and run an image. Okay, it will be like this. So you can just tweak the color. And there is another trick. Here, you can change the color management here. Change sRGB or just try all the mode, get what you want. I prefer standard this time. So I think this is the whole content I used in my project. So this is just a quick tutorial. The effect looks not good, but check my project. It looks, I think, great. So you can try more to make it better. So here I use blend. I think it's called blend kit to get a free model and put it downside. So done like this. I think it's a skull. I think the goat skull. I don't know. So this is the whole tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you like my video and want to see my future videos, you can subscribe. And I will be updating new videos in the future. So thank you. Bye bye.